Hi, Deb Pervin here with another Tuesday Tweak. This week, I want you to think about your lead metrics. Now, you may not have heard this term before, but I think it's a really great way to think about meeting your goals. So, what are your lead metrics? Lead metrics are different than lag metrics. Lag metrics are the ones that we mostly pay attention to. We set sales goals and then we look back and we see if we've met them, right? Lag metrics is about studying what happened. Profit margins. Did we hit the profit margins we wanted to hit? Have we met all of the safety measures that we anticipated within our margin of error? Those are all lag metrics because we have to wait to see if we did it. So what a lead metric is it's studying how to make better results happen. What can we do ahead of time to have those results? What performances, what focuses, what numbers do we have to meet in order to have those results, those lag metrics? So, what did you do to improve your sales goals? What did you do to improve your margins? What did you do to improve the quality of your product? What did you do ahead of time to have that result? So I want you to think about this. I want you to pick a goal. I want you to pick a lag metric, something that you measure, and then reverse engineer it. How did you get there? That's going to be your lead metric. And I want you to do these on all of your important goals. So let me give you an example. I have a number of clients that are in the placement business. They hire talent for companies and they place them. Now the trick about this is that they get paid a nice percentage of the person's salary that they place. And so, but it's a pretty lumpy, they could place 3 or 4 people one month and then 2 or 3 the next month and then 6 or 8 the next month. So it's very lumpy. It's very hard to have an even revenue line item. So we started to think about lead metrics. And this wasn't too bad because they take in the application from the company and they get an application fee. So we started studying the number of applications that they got and when those applications turned into job candidates, a successful placement. And we saw that there was a real correlation between those numbers. So the number of applications now became a lead metric for for this company. And now they had to say, okay, if we get 8 applications every month, we're going to have strong following months. Now, what do we do to get those 8 applications each month? And so you can see that leads to another lead metric. So this is the way to start having those consistent, excellent performance results. So think about your lead metric and how that will help you improve all of the goals that you set, that you then study in your lag metrics. Deb Pervin with Business Owners MBA. Appreciate your time, and I'll see you next week.